This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet 1 box eBay break. May 17th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Ty_patch with the Bills and Buccaneers. Boom 5051120 with the Steelers, Titans, and Dolphins. August 2x2 with the Seahawks and Redskins. Focadoke with the Vikings, 49ers, Packers, Chargers, Rams, and Giants. JAMMCCOR_0 with the Falcons and Panthers. Jonathan Thark-0 with the Saints, Bears, and Patriots. Isaiah 1103 with the Eagles. Batso-SA with the Jets. LKPT Seller with the Texans, Chiefs, and Jaguars. Boston-John with the Raiders. Schramm-2 with the Colts. SCCON_1233 with the Broncos, Lions, and Cowboys. Indy_9839 with the Browns. Spinners and Sports with the Bengals. Stickman224331 with the Ravens. And RYSOL_36 with the Cardinals. Okay, that is your full lineup, and we got our box here, 2022 Gold Rush Full-Size Helmet Authentic Edition. These full-size authentic helmets are beautiful. Joe, we can sure try. After the break here, we'll give it a shot. Okay. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Coming at you front and center. Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet. Wow, that looks beautiful. I'm going to actually go ahead and take this out here, guys. What a beautiful looking helmet there. That white. Wow. How about that for the Ravens? That is Patrick Queen. Patrick Queen autograph, full-size authentic helmet. That white is so sharp. The Ravens, beautiful helmet. Ravens owned by Stickman224331. Congrats, beautiful. Patrick Queen autograph, full-size authentic helmet. Very, very nice. Beautiful helmet there. I really want to thank everybody for breaking, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. We got a beautiful lineup scheduled throughout the rest of the week. We're back at it again tomorrow night, so please don't miss out on those as well. Really want to thank everybody so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions as well, guys. Thank you so much again. Please be smart, be safe out there.